This is how to contact Cash App support. If you haven't already, make sure to go to the App Store, look up Cash App, and install and update the Cash App app. Once you've done that, let's go ahead and boot it up. In the top right, we're going to hit our profile. We're going to scroll all the way down until we see support on the bottom right here. Now, if you would like to know about your account settings issues, we can go there. It gives you a bunch of different examples here. If you'd like some help with your payments, you can go here as well. And it goes down the list from adding money into your account. You might have big bank problems, from withdrawals. If your cash card, if you try to reset it or get a new one, open up a savings account in Cash App. If you want to figure out how investing works for Cash App, or if you'd like to invest in Bitcoin and the information. If you go to the top here, you can also search for whatever issue you might have. But in the chance that you have a more specific question that you'd like a person, maybe you can go scroll all the way on the bottom here to chat. And here you can talk to Cash App support bot. And you can say pretty much whatever to him. He says, "Hi, how can I help you?" But if you'd like to specifically talk to somebody on the phone with your voice, this number right here is the number to call. That is how to contact Cash App support.